What's up, you guys? What's up? How you doing today? What's up? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. How you doing? Thank you so much for being here, you guys. What's going on? What's up? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. What's going on? Welcome to my channel, you guys. How you doing? I miss you guys so much. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. We'd love to have you here, okay? I love you guys so much. Remember, click the like and subscribe button. It's on one of these sides. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Go ahead and leave a comment, share the video with your social media, all that good stuff, you guys. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Also, head on over to my Facebook group, Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. Beginners and experts are welcome, and join the Facebook group. If I can't answer a question right here on YouTube, you can go over there, and I guarantee you somebody can answer the question that you're looking for, because somebody's going through the exact same thing you're going through. Okay, and we ain't got no money to be going buying a whole bunch of fancy books, when we can just go to the Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy Facebook page and get the answers that we need. It's just like a gardening encyclopedia, you guys. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. I wasn't going to make a video because we're expecting a lot of rain, you guys. It just stopped, so I'm going to make this short and sweet. I ran outside really quickly while it's not raining, just so I can get this video in. What to plant in October? Yes, you guys, we're still gardening in October, okay? Don't ever stop gardening. You can garden a little bit all year long, even in your house, okay? So just come on with me, and we're going to talk a little bit as we walk around about what we can plant in October. Okay, hopefully you got you some seeds in the ground, some lettuce seeds. Now, I planted these. Let me get you down here. Now, these seeds are about 3 weeks old, and these are a black Simpson seed lettuce. And as you can see, this is a mixture of some seedlings that I had, like 2 or 3 in each pack. So I put lettuce, collards, and broccoli in here, and we'll sort these later. Also, spinach. Now, these are taking their own sweet little time. My first frost is not until like the first week of November so far, but who knows? Mother Nature has her own way of doing her own thing. So if these don't make it or get big enough for me to transplant them before the frost, I'm going to save them and put them in the greenhouse, you guys. Yes, we're going to do some greenhouse growing this year. Now, here are some 7-top turnips. They've only been in the ground for 3 weeks. Everything I'm showing you has been in the ground for 3 weeks. I planted these on September the 1st, 2020. Oh no, wait a minute. These were planted on the 16th, you guys. So yeah, these are only a few days old. Now, I know a lot of these I planted on September the 1st. But yeah. So these are only about like a week old, 2 weeks old. And those are 7-top turnips. Then we have some Detroit Red Beets. They're coming up doing their own little thing. Shout out to the Dollar Tree for all of these great containers. We have some Swiss Chard coming in there. Some more Veriflay spinach. These, yeah, on the 16th, you guys. So I'm wrong. I said the 1st. No, that's something else I planted on September the 1st. But yeah, so these are only a few days old. Yeah. Because today is like the 28th, 29th. So yeah, they're about 13 days old, 2 weeks old. Arugula is coming on up. So these are seedlings that I planted a few weeks ago. And with your lettuce and things, you can go ahead and get those in the ground from seed in your garden. And let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Like, okay, over here in the raised bed, what I've done is incorporated, see all of my lettuces, all of this is planted from the seed, you guys. Now, this is different types of lettuces and spinaches and turnips and radishes. And I also went and bought transplants, you guys. You see this? Because I'm still learning. Well, not this soil. I know they're going to do good in this soil because I put this soil in the raised bed. But my other soil, you know, I've only been in this home for 1 year, a little over a year. And I'm still learning the soil. So as we continue to amend this soil and try to make it better, I put some transplants down. Even though I have some seeds planted as well, I have some transplants in. Now, these are cabbages, broccolis, cauliflowers, those type of things you can plant in your garden right now. Go ahead to your local nursery. The plants may look weary. They may look tired. They may look like giving up, but you can bring them on home and save them, okay? Okay, 'cause we ain't got no money. And then what we're going to do is we're going to let these things go to seed so we don't have to buy them ever again. Now, here are some greens that I planted from seed. See? And they're almost just as tall as these transplants. But I really wanted to make sure that I had collard greens, I had broccoli, I have cauliflower, I want some kohlrabi. I want to make sure I have all of that, so I bought some starter plants. Again, you guys, sometimes your plants will come and they'll look a little beat up. They'll also look a little leggy. So what I need to do and what I'm going to do is get me a bag of gardening soil, a really good high nutrient quality potting gardening soil, and I'm going to fill this up all the way around to the first leaf. That'll give it a strong base. Okay? So yeah, you guys, these are just some things that you can continue to grow in October. Don't forget, you can grow inside your home. Get your parsley, your basil, your herbs. Grow them in long containers in your windowsill. Things like this, they make great herb gardens, and you can put them right in a sunny spot in your home, and you can grow those all through the winter if you want, yeah. So think about things like that. Also get your radishes, your turnips, your carrots, your what else? Yeah, get all your root vegetables in the ground, because I have radishes that are already starting to bulb. Yeah, I didn't even show you those, right? Because these are some of the fastest things to grow, and you'll have food in no time, you guys. So if you can, let me get you down here. Can you see that? You see it? And I planted everything the same time. We have more coming in down here. Can you see? Hope I got the camera on it right here. So yeah, they're doing their thing. So yeah, you guys, get you some seeds in the ground in October. It's not too late. So remember, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. You are absolutely amazing. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. Don't forget, I have a special surprise coming up. If you're interested in a gardening retreat at a private location with the CDC rules and regulations being followed, hit me up. Leave a message. Send me an email to randybattle1@gmail.com, okay? Or go over to my Facebook page and check out Randy Battle or Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, and check out the information on the upcoming trip. I love you guys. You could be anywhere else in the gardening universe, but you choose to spend a little time with Skinny Boy Randy, and I love you guys for it. So I'm about to get out of here before the storm comes, because I don't want to get struck by lightning, because I'll wind up in an emergency room, and if I wind up in an emergency room, they're going to charge me, and I ain't got no money.